Here we have a 2011 Honda CRV. Trying to work out how to reset the TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring system, because the light was on. This one down here in the corner, it's on. It's just gone off because I've reset it. I had to watch a few videos to work it out, and I had to watch one in a different language. So what we have to do, I didn't even know this is how you get into the system, so this might be helpful for other bits as well. To obtain getting into the menus in here, you have the two buttons here. What you have to do is press and hold the I. 1, 2, 3, 4, there you go, 4 seconds. And then from here, you have the I to go across, TPMS, change other settings, language settings, default all, and then back from there. So from there, you click again, and then you select the bottom one, into here, initialization, click it again to go down to OK, press OK, and then it's completed. By doing that, it will reset the TPMS light. Thanks for watching, guys.